Alrighty, Al. Here's your LS. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously it's Borla. All polished, beautiful, beautiful engine. It's all aluminum. Got the Chevrolet valve covers. Beautiful. Billet Specialties front end on it. Nice piece. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Well, we'll go in there and make a pull on it. See how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 443 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 508, peaks horsepower 539, rate at 550, front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is go pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll have to see this, looks like a credit card, business card, it's a USB card, full of information. It's got all your build specs on the engine pictures, technical data, so highly recommend. First thing you do is plug it in, look at it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. The other thing will be a tag on the engine, give you engine number, valve specifications as far as setting lash, oil capacity, whether it's internal, external, firing order, timing specs if needed. And so basically that tag, hold on to that and stay tuned.